I'm a registered dietitian and I'm going to show you how to make Gruyere cheese bites. To make the Gruyere cheese bites, we start with 1 pound of whole wheat prepared pizza dough that you can find easily in any supermarket. And we roll it out really thin. I've already rolled it out into kind of a rectangular shape. So we roll it out as thin as possible, and then we simply take a pizza cutter and create squares about 2" by 2". Doesn't have to be perfectly shaped, but just kind of a square shape. And then we'll take each pizza square and turn that into our cheese bites. So we have a large baking sheet, which I will spray with nonstick cooking spray. And we'll place our pizza dough squares on the sheet. And then we can garnish each pizza dough square with a chunk or a wedge of Gruyere cheese. Gruyere cheese is a really beautiful Swiss cheese that's nice in melting and baking. That's all we're doing. And then we will add artichoke hearts, marinated artichoke hearts, roasted red peppers, and roasted yellow peppers. These come in nice, easy to use jars. And we simply bake this in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. And the finished result are these beautiful cheese bites that are delicious for an appetizer or for a party. This has been Sharon Palmer, and I just showed you how to make Gruyere cheese bites.